What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got her up, shorty should be that squishing the up. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her up, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her up, shorty ain't tripping, she got her go. Shorty she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with Dorsanee hair. I was sent 13 by 4, 24 inch, 200 density. I don't know what I was about to say. 200 density in the color gray, silver, whatever y'all want to call this. Y'all, I've never ever received a gray wig. So shout out to Dorsanee for sending me this hair. I think the only time I had gray hair was with my red hair, and I was like in high school, and it looked like throw up. Like it wasn't giving all gray like this, y'all. And this hair is really hitting. Surprisingly, this hair is bomb. I didn't have no type of shedding. The only shedding I had was when I plucked the hair. Other than that, y'all, the lace, everything given, honey. Shout out to Dorsanee. I highly recommend this hair. The way I'm about to wear this hair is crazy. I'm never taking this install out. I lied, I have to, but I will be putting this hair back in because this hair is just giving. This just might be my birthday hair. Like, I don't know, something about this hair is different and I love it. I'm surprised it's giving like silky and all that good stuff, because y'all know usually with curly hair, not curly hair, usually with colored hair, the hair could be a hit or miss, but y'all, this is a hit, y'all, and it's hitting different. So like I said, I would highly recommend Dorsanee hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in the same exact wig, the link will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And another thing, I did 2 styles in this video. I showed the natural state of the wig when you just take it out the box, y'all, and even that was given. The body wave was given, but the straight is given as well. So in this video, you guys are going to see 2 different styles. So if you're interested on seeing both styles, continue watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!